Number 1.
My dad left 3 days ago. I hope he comes home soon. I don't think Mommy is supposed to be underwater this long.
Number 2.
My son asked, "Mom, can I play with the kids in the basement?" We had just moved in.
Number 3.
I finally woke up with a serious pain in my stomach after being hit in the head. "You are awake," she said, as she continued to stitch the baby in me.
Number 4.
There was a picture on my phone of me sleeping. I live alone.
Number 5.
To the woman who keeps pounding on my door at night, I'm not letting you out.
Number 6.
Now that I think about it with a new perspective, everything's fine and my problems really can be fixed. If only I hadn't jumped.
Number 7.
My mom told me I have to get rid of my disgusting girlfriend. After all, I did kill her 3 weeks ago.
Number 8.
My parents tell me it's not my fault that my baby sister choked and died after swallowing some Legos. I told her they were candies.
Number 9.
My son came up to me and told me he broke the lamp in his room. At first I was angry at him until he told me he used it to fend off a man trying to break in.
Number 10.
I was watching the news while I waited for my parents to come home from their date. Suddenly I saw a police report of a double murder right outside my house.